When the first flowers of spring finally make their appearance after what feels like a very long winter, it feels like nature's quiet promise, a gentle reassurance that winter is indeed ending and warmer days are on their way. Few plants capture this hopeful anticipation, this vibrant energy, quite like the humble Primula. Its bright face, often in shades of yellow, pink or purple, emerging from the earth, is a joyful sign of renewal, a vibrant symbol of life returning to the garden. Primulas are more than just pretty. They are a burst of color and a welcome sight after months of dormancy. They symbolize new beginnings, fresh starts, and the cyclical nature of life itself. Their name, derived from the Latin primus meaning first, tells their story perfectly, highlighting their role as pioneers of the spring garden, the first to bravely display their colors. Each year, they faithfully return, a testament to their resilience and enduring beauty, inviting us to step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and reconnect with the earth, which is slowly waking up around us. Tending a primula, whether in a pot or in the ground, is grounding, a simple act that connects us to the natural world, reminding us to slow down, observe the delicate details, and appreciate the small wonders that surround us every day. Watching one bloom, unfurling its petals in a slow and deliberate dance, brings a unique sense of accomplishment, a quiet satisfaction, and a profound sense of peace. Gardening, even on a small scale, whether it's a window box or a small flower bed, creates a sanctuary, a personal haven filled with life, beauty, and a sense of tranquility. The Primula, with its early arrival, its vibrant colors, and its unassuming charm, is the perfect start to this journey, a gentle introduction to the joys of gardening. It doesn't demand much in terms of care or attention, making it ideal for beginners, yet gives back generously, rewarding your efforts with an abundance of cheerful blooms, lifting spirits, brightening days, and reminding us of the beauty and potential that lies ahead. It encourages optimism, fosters joy, and inspires a sense of wonder in the simple yet profound act of a flower reaching for the light, seeking warmth and nourishment. Truly, it is a flower of hope, a symbol of resilience, and a reminder that even after the darkest of winters, spring will always return. The Primula genus is wonderfully diverse, a true testament to nature's artistry, boasting over 500 species, each with its own unique charm and appeal. Known and loved as primroses, they brighten landscapes, gracing us from Himalayan meadows all the way to the enchanting European woodlands. The common primrose, scientifically known as Primula vulgaris, carpets the British countryside, heralding the arrival of early spring. Primulas offer a vibrant rainbow of colors: yellow, pink, magenta, purple, red, and pure white. Their compact size and vibrant blooms make them absolutely perfect for borders and charming rockeries, as well as decorative pots and delightful window boxes. Thriving best in cool, moist, and partially shaded spots, they bring a welcome cheer to those often overlooked garden corners, even where other plants might struggle to flourish. So, with primulas, even the smallest garden spaces can burst forth with vibrant early-season color. Beyond their captivating beauty, primulas offer a subtle invitation to explore the deeper connections between nature and well-being. These delicate flowers have a rich and fascinating history, deeply intertwined with traditional herbal medicine practices across various cultures. Species like Primula veris, commonly known as cowslip, have been particularly valued for their therapeutic properties. Historically, these vibrant blooms were carefully harvested and used as natural remedies, especially for soothing coughs and relieving congestion. Their flowers contain a variety of beneficial compounds, believed to gently calm the nervous system, helping to ease restlessness and promote a sense of tranquility. Primula teas and infusions, carefully brewed, were traditional aids, offering comfort for sleep, providing relief from persistent headaches, and easing the discomfort of rheumatism. Furthermore, topical applications such as poultices and creams helped soothe minor skin irritations and promote the healing of small wounds. Growing Primula in your own garden connects us to centuries of accumulated herbal wisdom and allows us to experience firsthand the profound healing power of nature. Cultivating them in your garden, they offer not only visual beauty, but also a tangible living link to the rich herbal traditions of the past. Growing Primula is simple and incredibly rewarding. These vibrant flowers can bring a burst of color to your garden. It's a delightful experience, even for beginners. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy these beauties. Primula thrives in specific conditions. Choose a cool, partially shaded spot in your garden. They appreciate protection from the harsh afternoon sun, like under a deciduous tree or on the north side of a wall. This helps prevent scorching. Plant your Primula in rich, moist, well-drained soil. Good soil is the foundation for healthy growth. Consider adding compost to retain moisture, ensuring the soil stays consistently damp. Water regularly, especially during dry spells. Consistent watering is key to vibrant blooms. Apply mulch around your plants to keep roots cool and help retain that essential moisture. Deadhead faded flowers regularly to encourage more blooms. This directs the plant's energy into new growth. This simple task will significantly extend the flowering season, providing you with more color for longer. Divide clumps every few years to prevent overcrowding. This is also a great way to create new plants for free, expanding your garden at no cost. For those interested in the healing properties of plants, consider starting with a medicinal garden kit. These kits offer a curated selection of healing plants, providing a wonderful introduction to herbal remedies. By planting Primula, you not only cultivate beauty in your garden, but also wellness, and foster a deeper connection to the tranquility and wonder of nature.